Is your cooking oil damaging your health? Especially if you're over 50. Cooking oil is a part of your daily routine, in your stir-fry, vegetables, or even your eggs. But what if I told you that the oil sitting in your kitchen could be silently damaging your heart, upsetting your digestion, and even speeding up aging? As we age, our bodies become less tolerant of bad fats. Our metabolism slows, arteries stiffen, and what worked in your 40s may now be causing weight gain, inflammation, and high blood pressure. Most people assume all oils are the same, or that anything labeled vegetable oil must be healthy. But many commonly used oils are chemically processed, stripped of nutrients, and linked to long-term health risks, especially for older adults. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 oils you should avoid and why they're harmful. Then we'll share 5 healthier alternatives that support energy, joint health, brain function, and heart strength. You'll learn which oils trigger inflammation, which ones block nutrient absorption, and which break down when heated, releasing toxic compounds into your food. This isn't about fear, it's about facts. No confusing science talk, just simple tips to help you make smarter, safer cooking choices. Even small changes, like switching your oil, can have a major impact on how your body handles food, how you feel, and how you move. Let's start with one of the worst offenders, vegetable oil. Despite the name, most vegetable oils are far from natural. They're often a blend of soybean, corn, cottonseed, or canola oil, all heavily refined using high heat and solvents, like hexane. This process strips away nutrients and creates unstable oils that oxidize easily, especially when heated. That oxidation leads to harmful compounds that can inflame joints, stress the heart, and irritate your digestive tract. For seniors, this is serious. Our bodies no longer bounce back from inflammation like they used to. Over time, regular use of these oils may contribute to clogged arteries, high cholesterol, and even memory issues, often without you realizing it. Vegetable oil is cheap and has a high smoke point, which is why it's a pantry staple. But that high smoke point is misleading. Even if it doesn't visibly burn, it still breaks down into harmful substances. It's not just in cooking either. You'll find it in margarine, mayonnaise, salad dressings, and many packaged foods. So whether you're using it out of habit or to save money, it's time to switch. Better choices include extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil, both rich in nutrients and far more stable when heated. We'll break down more alternatives later in this video, but here's the bottom line. The risks of vegetable oil far outweigh the benefits. Now, before we dive deeper, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Have questions? Drop them below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on helpful tips from Senior Health. If you're with us and ready to clean up your kitchen, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Studies have even linked long-term vegetable oil use to chronic conditions like insulin resistance, heart disease, and some cancers. This isn't just online talk. These are findings published in peer-reviewed medical journals and taken seriously by health professionals. The good news? Once you switch, your body starts to recover. 2. Corn oil, the hidden inflammation trigger. Corn oil may seem harmless. It's cheap, easy to find, and used in everything from frozen meals to fried foods. But it's packed with omega-6 fatty acids. And when omega-6 far outweighs omega-3 in your diet, your body enters an inflammatory state. For seniors already dealing with arthritis or heart problems, that's a recipe for disaster. Every time corn oil hits the skillet, it adds to inflammation, the root of most age-related diseases. Corn oil is also made using high heat and solvents like hexane. This strips away natural antioxidants and leaves behind unstable fats that turn toxic when reheated. A common issue in home kitchens and restaurants. You'd be surprised how often you're exposed. Fried foods, chips, salad dressings, margarine, and even baked goods often contain corn oil, especially when labels aren't clear. Many seniors on tight budgets reuse oil, but reheating corn oil repeatedly only makes it more toxic. It can increase the risk of heart disease, gut issues, and even brain-related conditions. Plus, most corn oil comes from genetically modified crops, raising concerns about pesticide residue and altered nutrients. While research continues, many choose to play it safe. Better choice. Use avocado oil for frying. It's stable and anti-inflammatory. For baking or sautéing, try extra virgin olive oil or ghee. Health, flavor, and peace of mind, all in one switch. 3. Canola oil. Not as heart-healthy as advertised canola oil is often marketed as a healthy choice. Low in saturated fat, high in omega-3s. But there's a hidden side. Most canola oil comes from genetically modified rapeseed, processed with high heat, bleaching, and chemical solvents. This destroys antioxidants and creates unstable compounds that oxidize during cooking, damaging to the heart, especially for seniors. Oxidized oils can increase arterial inflammation, stress the heart, raise blood pressure, and strain circulation. Even worse, canola oil hides in many light or diet products, dressings, frozen meals, and baked snacks loaded with additives. And that omega-3 claim? Misleading. Canola's omega-3s are fragile and break down under heat, so you're not really getting the benefit. Smarter swaps? Try cold-pressed walnut oil, macadamia oil, or extra virgin olive oil. These offer real omega-3 benefits without heavy processing. Don't panic if you've been using canola oil for years, but think long-term. Small daily changes can reduce inflammation and improve how you feel over time. One meal at a time. 4. Soybean oil. More than just an oil. When you eat foods with soybean oil, you're consuming more than just fat. You're eating something your body isn't built to process. This oil is refined, stripped, and chemically altered, and the impact can be serious, especially for seniors. Studies link high soybean oil consumption to insulin resistance, metabolic problems, and even cognitive decline, at least in animals. While human research is ongoing, the early warnings are real concerns, especially if you're managing diabetes or memory issues. You may not buy soybean oil directly, but it's likely in your kitchen. Check the label on canned sauces, dressings, or even healthy snacks. Unless it specifically says olive oil or avocado oil, it's probably soybean oil. What to do? Stop using it for cooking. Read labels, buy whole foods, choose oils from clean sources. And here's a smart tip. When eating out or ordering takeout, ask what oil they use. Most places use soybean or blended oils to save money. If possible, request food made with olive oil or without added oils. Good restaurants won't mind. And your body will thank you. Small decisions add up. Over time, they can bring long-lasting improvements. 5. Cottonseed oil, a hidden threat with industrial roots. For seniors, cottonseed oil poses an even greater risk. When this oil is heated, the unstable fats break down into toxic compounds. These oxidized fats overwork your liver, worsen inflammation, and weaken your immune response. The result? Slower healing, more joint pain, and a higher risk of chronic illness. You might not buy cottonseed oil directly, but it sneaks into your diet through packaged snacks, takeout, and items labeled with vague terms like vegetable oil blend. Why is it so common? It's cheap, nearly tasteless, and highly used by manufacturers. But your health pays the price. What can you do? Read labels carefully. Cook more at home with trusted oils. Choose organic or minimally processed snacks that use avocado, olive, or sunflower oil. And don't stop there. Spread the word. Many older adults still believe that vegetable oil is healthy, not realizing that cottonseed oil is often a big part of it. Even with brands you've trusted for years, double-check the ingredients. Awareness is the first step, and this one could protect your health for the long haul. Cotton may feel good on your skin, but it has no place on your plate. Swap it out for oils your body can recognize, digest, and benefit from. The oils you should be using, starting with olive oil. Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's talk about the healthy oils every senior should know. These oils are not only delicious, they also support your heart, joints, and brain. 1. Extra virgin olive oil, EVO, the heart's best friend. A staple of the Mediterranean diet, extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest oils in the world, and every senior should have it in their kitchen. Why? It's full of monounsaturated fats, which help raise good cholesterol, HDL, and lower bad cholesterol, LDL. It contains powerful polyphenols, natural compounds that reduce inflammation and act as antioxidants. This means better heart health, sharper brain function, lower blood pressure, and even mood improvement, all backed by science, not hype. EVO is made through cold pressing, meaning it's not treated with chemicals or high heat. That keeps the nutrients and flavor intact, unlike heavily refined oils. Though it's best for low to medium heat cooking, high-quality EVOO is stable enough for sautéing, roasting, and dressings. It's also ideal for raw use, like on toast, grains, or vegetables. Tips for choosing the best olive oil. Look for extra virgin on the label. Buy oil in dark glass bottles. Check for a harvest or expiration date. Store it in a cool, dark place, not near the stove. Many seniors find EVOO is a great alternative to butter or margarine. It's not just a healthier choice, it also enhances the taste of your meals. Bonus, olive oil helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, nutrients that many older adults don't get enough of. 2. Avocado oil, the high-heat hero. Avocado oil is perfect for seniors who enjoy cooking at higher temperatures. With a smoke point of around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it doesn't break down or release harmful compounds like many other oils do. But heat tolerance isn't its only strength. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that support heart health, and it also contains lutein, a powerful nutrient that protects your eyes, especially important as we age. Unlike processed oils, avocado oil keeps its nutrients even when heated. Its mild, buttery flavor complements most savory dishes without overpowering them. It's ideal for roasting root vegetables, grilling meats, stir-frying vegetables, baking healthier muffins, or breads. You can even swap it for vegetable or canola oil in many recipes. This isn't just about avoiding bad fats. It's about choosing a fat that supports brain health, stable energy, and better digestion. For seniors managing high blood pressure, cholesterol, or arthritis, avocado oil is a smart choice. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce joint pain and stiffness, and its healthy fats help prevent blood sugar spikes and energy crashes. Buying tips: choose cold-pressed, unrefined avocado oil in a dark glass bottle. A deep green color means it's full of antioxidants and chlorophyll. Store it in a cool, dark place and use within a few months of opening. Its neutral taste also makes it great for pan-frying eggs, baking, or making homemade marinades and dressings. Once you start using it regularly, you'll notice cleaner-tasting meals, a fresher-smelling kitchen, and a body that feels a bit more balanced. That's the sign of a truly nourishing oil. 3. Walnut oil, brain food in a bottle. If you're focused on maintaining sharp memory, clear thinking, and emotional balance, walnut oil deserves a place in your kitchen. This delicate oil is rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid known to support brain function and mood as we age. It also contains polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Walnut oil is not for high-heat cooking. Instead, use it as a finishing oil on roasted veggies, in salad dressings, drizzled over grains, lentils, or cold pasta dishes. Its nutty flavor brings depth to meals without overpowering them. Walnut oil also helps support your heart, reducing artery stiffness and improving cholesterol levels, two key concerns for older adults. To get the most benefit, Choose cold-pressed, unrefined walnut oil. Store it in a dark bottle, in the refrigerator after opening use within a few months. Some worry nut oils might feel heavy, but walnut oil is surprisingly light and smooth. Most people, even those with mild nut sensitivities, can digest it easily, though those with severe allergies should consult a doctor. You can even mix it with olive oil in dips or vinaigrettes. Try combining it with balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, or a squeeze of lemon for a flavorful, brain-boosting touch. Just a teaspoon a day can transform your food into powerful brain fuel. 4. Ghee, the golden gut supporter. Craving the rich flavor of butter but without the digestive issues? Ghee, or clarified butter, is an ancient food making a strong comeback, and it's perfect for seniors. Made by gently simmering butter until all water and milk solids are removed, ghee is nearly lactose and casein-free, making it much easier to digest for those with dairy sensitivities. Its high smoke point of 480 degrees Fahrenheit makes it perfect for roasting, sautéing, frying. Unlike some oils, ghee doesn't burn easily or turn toxic when heated, but its benefits go beyond cooking. Ghee is rich in butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health, reduces colon inflammation, nourishes the cells lining your digestive tract. For seniors dealing with bloating, irregularity, or IBS, ghee may bring real comfort. It's also packed with fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K2, which support bone strength, immune function. Vision health. Ghee gives you the flavor and richness of butter without the drawbacks, while offering deeper benefits for your gut, brain, and immune system. Remember, living well is more important than just living long. The right oils don't just feed your body, they support your joints, brain, and digestion. They give you the freedom to cook with ease, age with strength instead of stress, and fall in love with food all over again. Now, you know which ones to choose, and how to use, store, and find them the right way.